So, have you guys ever wanted to start something like launching a YouTube channel or maybe something even as simple as going to the gym? But you keep searching for things on YouTube like what should my first YouTube video be? How do I get to 1,000 subscribers? How do I grow a small channel? How do I start working out? What should my split be? How should I diet as a beginner? And all of these things. And you keep doing this research thinking ki you will reach a state where you've accumulated all of the knowledge you want and you can finally get started on the thing. And maybe you even think of things like, if I start a YouTube channel, what are people gonna say, what's my family gonna say, मेरे friends ने अगर मेरे videos देखे तो मुझे कितना judge करेंगे, और ये सब चीज़ें सोचने में you just keep spending a lot of time thinking about these things and you'd never actually get started. So I've had this exact experience and I want to talk about how I deal with overthinking. I still have issues with it and I still waste a lot of time just thinking about stupid shit. But there is a very easy solution. Maybe it's not easy, but I just want to talk about that today. Spoiler alert, the solution is to actually get started. And before you click off this video, I want to talk about a few examples from my life where I've wasted a lot of time overthinking. The game running in the background is called Hades. It's a roguelike that came out a couple of years ago. If you've not played it, I highly recommend it. It came out at a time where AAA gaming was absolute ass, and it still kind of is, and this game was a breath of fresh air. So if you've not played it, give it a shot. So the first example I want to talk about is I've wanted to start a YouTube channel for a very long time now, over 10 years. मैं जब 15 साल का था तो मेरे स्कूल में एक करियर काउंसलर आई थी, और वन ऑफ द एक्टिविटीज़ शी आस्क्ड अस टू डू वाज ड्रॉ अ पाई चार्ट, और उसमें प्रोफेशंस लिखो कि क्या करना है और कितना परसेंट आप चाहते हो वो प्रोफेशन करना. तो मुझे एग्जैक्टली याद नहीं मैंने क्या लिखा था, मतलब बैक देन तो मुझे आइडिया भी नहीं था कि क्या प्रोफेशंस होते हैं. जो जो मुझे पता थे मैंने लिख दिए. जैसे आई थिंक आई रोट सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर, मे बी IAS ऑफिसर, आई कांट रिमेंबर. बट मुझे ये याद है कि मैंने उसमें 15% छोटा सा लिखा था यूट्यूबर. और जब वो 1-on-1 सेशन भी हुआ ना, वो पाई चार्ट डिस्कस करने वाला उस करियर काउंसलर के साथ, तो पहले तो उसको समझ नहीं आया यूट्यूबर क्या होता है. तो उसने मुझसे पूछा ये क्या है बेटा आप जो बनना चाहते हो. एंड देन व्हेन आई एक्सप्लेन्ड इट टू हर, शी वाज जस्ट स्टन्ड. शी थॉट आई वाज जोकिंग विद हर. तो एनीवे माय पॉइंट इज़, मैं इतने समय से यूट्यूब चैनल स्टार्ट करना चाहता हूँ. एंड आई यूज़ टू जस्ट कीप ओवर थिंकिंग. आई गेव माई सेल्फ दीज एक्सक्यूजेज, जैसे कि मेरी रिकॉर्डिंग इक्विपमेंट इतनी सही नहीं है, आई डोंट हैव अ गुड इनफ माइक. मेरा एक दूसरा यूट्यूब चैनल है जिस पे मैं गानों के कवर्स पोस्ट करता हूँ. लाइक आई प्ले द गिटार एंड आई सिंग अ सॉन्ग. एंड आई यूज टू थिंक दैट मे बी माई सिंगिंग इज़ नॉट गुड इनफ, मे बी माई प्लेइंग इज़ नॉट गुड इनफ. वाई वुड एनी वन वॉच माई वीडियो वाइल there are so many other good videos on YouTube, and if my video is trash then people will make so much fun of me. And these thoughts kept me in a state of paralysis for years. Another big hurdle for me was, what are people gonna say? Or it took me a lot of time to kind of get over that. Like I said in the beginning, the answer is to just get started. And with my other channel, for example, I uploaded a vlog from a trip I went to a couple of months ago. और मैं उसके लिए बहुत नर्वस फील कर रहा था कि लोग कैसे परसीव करेंगे कि मेरा व्लॉग टाइप वीडियो. और मैं ऐसा मतलब इतना ओवर थिंक करता हूँ, बट मेरी ऑडियंस कुछ ऐसे है नहीं. आई हैव लाइक 30 सब्सक्राइबर्स ऑन माई अदर चैनल, सो इट्स जस्ट माई फ्रेंड्स. बट आई स्टिल kept overthinking so much. Or what I've realized is nobody really cares that much. It can be a very morbid thought maybe कि nobody cares about me, nobody is that interested in me. But thing is, for example, when I posted that vlog, I shared it with my friends. एंड मैं अपने एक दोस्त के घर गया हुआ था कुछ हफ्ते पहले. मैंने उसके घर पे टीवी चल रहा था और उस पर देखा यूट्यूब पे कि मेरा वीडियो 20 मिनट का था टोटल, उसमें से 3 मिनट शायद प्लेट थे और बाकी कंटिन्यू वॉचिंग में आ रहा था. तो जो आप इतना टाइम स्पेंड करते हो ना सोचने में कि सब क्या सोचेंगे मेरे बारे में, नोबडी इज़ रियली दैट इंटरेस्टेड इन you. And I don't mean that in a bad way. I mean ki we have this idea in our head that people are always watching us. It's called the spotlight effect. I don't mean to get all technical. It's also something I learned about on Instagram Reels. But what it means is हर किसी को हमेशा ऐसा लगता है कि उन पे एक spotlight डली हुई है और सब उनकी तरफ देख रहे हैं. But that's simply not the case. Everybody has important shit to worry about and nobody is paying that much attention. And it can be a very liberating thought. What I want you to take away from this is that you should feel free to express yourself without thinking about what people might think, because people don't have that much time to even think about shit that you do. And in the rare cases where people do actually spend a lot of time judging you, you shouldn't let that bother you either. You just have to do the thing. like I said earlier, the solution is to get started. You don't even have to overcome your fear of being judged. You just have to set it aside, do the thing, and then worry about what people are going to say, because at least then you've taken that first step. You've started, for example, in our case, making that YouTube video and uploading it, because that fear, maybe you can't completely get rid of it in one go. You can slowly, try to overcome it. So what I'm trying to say with this example is just take that first step. Don't waste time overthinking, because when you're overthinking, you're not doing anything. Your thoughts are running in a loop. So when you finally take that first step is when you actually make some tangible progress. I know the answer is very cliche, and when people are doing research on the internet about how exactly they can overcome any challenge, they already know the answer. What they're looking for is some sort of magic solution, some sort of spell they can cast to solve all their problems. But the answer is always very simple, very basic. A lot of the time people will tell you new ideas which you may not have heard anywhere else, and when you listen to those ideas you think you're making progress, but you're actually not. The answer is always very simple, and in this case it is to take that first step. The second example I want to talk about is I wanted to start going to the gym and start working out, eating healthy around 2 years ago, and I didn't know where to start. I had a few friends who went to the gym, followed a proper diet, but I didn't want to ask them for help for whatever reason. I think it's a problem guys have generally. They're too afraid to ask for help, and I did the same thing. The other issue I had was I just kept watching videos on YouTube to learn about what my workout split should be and what was the exact diet I should follow. ChatGPT से मैंने पूरा बना लिया था कि मंडे, वेंसडे, फ्राइडे, ट्यूसडे, थर्सडे, सैटरडे ये वर्कआउट स्प्लिट होनी चाहिए, ये एक्सरसाइजेस करूँगा, इस एक्सरसाइजेस के इतने सेट्स और इतने रेप्स. मेरी पूरी डाइट प्लान मैंने बना ली थी कि सुबह उठ के ओट्स खाने हैं, शाम को चिकन, ब्रोकली और वट. तो ये सारी रिसर्च करने में मैंने महीने लगा दिए. मैंने पूरा प्लान बना लिया था. आई हैड एन एक्सेल शीट ऑफ माई डाइट और एग्जैक्टली क्या क्या वर्कआउट करना चाहिए, और सारे वीडियोस देख लिए थे यूट्यूब पे. बेस्ट वर्कआउट स्प्लिट फॉर बिगिनर्स, जितने वीडियो उस सर्च रिजल्ट्स में आते हैं सारे मैंने देख लिए थे. एंड व्हेन आई एक्चुअली गॉट स्टार्टेड विद वर्किंग आउट, आई was almost as clueless as I was before all of this research. So with this analysis paralysis, quote unquote, there are a couple of issues. The first thing is you'll never feel ready to start, for example in our case, going to the gym. You'll never feel like you have all of the knowledge you need to get started. You'll almost start enjoying the process of doing the research rather than actually working out. जब मैंने जिम जाना स्टार्ट किया तो ये भी एक प्रॉब्लम थी कि I faced a completely new set of challenges which I couldn't have anticipated anyway. और मेरी रिसर्च में तो मुझे वो घंटा मिलता ही नहीं कहीं पे. फॉर एग्जांपल मुझे पता नहीं था मेरा फॉर्म सही है या नहीं, और मुझे पता नहीं था कि राइट अमाउंट ऑफ वेट क्या है मेरे लिए. आई डिडंट नो इफ़ the weight is actually hitting my muscle or not. I had zero mind muscle connection, and these are things you learn once you actually start doing the thing, and once you've done it for a few weeks, that's when you've found all of the answers. So in comparison to the months you've spent just doing research, those couple of weeks of actually going to the gym are way more beneficial, and those months that you spent just researching are largely wasted. If I had, for example, asked my friends who work out ki what split do you follow, can you correct my form, what diet do you follow, what do you eat on a daily basis, and all of these things, if I had learned from somebody who knows me and who can give me information personalized for my experience, or personalized for who I am, then my progress could have been so much faster, bro. I wouldn't have wasted so many months just doing research on the internet and making these stupid Excel sheets about my diet or my workout. So the answer here also is just to get started, take that first step. And if you have friends who've accomplished the goal you're trying to achieve, then ask them for help. Instead of throwing yourself in the deep end where you're just struggling to find answers to exactly every question you have. The last thing I want to say is this overthinking habit and this analysis paralysis can be very addictive, because it makes you think that you're making a lot of progress. For example, when I was watching videos about how to start a YouTube channel or how to start going to the gym, I thought कि मैं इतना कुछ सीख रहा हूँ, I'm making so much progress towards my goals, but in reality no progress is being made. You're just creating this illusion that you're moving towards your goals. And if you take away anything from this video, just get started, take that first step. And I'm sure you already know this, but stop watching YouTube videos about it and do the thing you want to do. That's all I want to talk about for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.